Here's an old story that resurfaced about the Porsche Taycan. Got to get that right. Taycan, Will. We got one of these on the way, so I better get the pronunciation right. And this story came out alongside the original launch, but it's sort of making the rounds again because they put out the press release again for some reason, possibly accidentally, but it got me thinking about in-car systems, in-car smart systems, the sort of integration with different services, whether it's Apple or Google, because I'm such a big fan of the way that both of those integrate with the car and having your phone on the dash. I like it. And up until this point, you've had to have, I talked on the previous episode about how you have the wireless connectivity with your device coming to Android Auto.
Yes.
So you're not going to actually have to plug it in. But this type of integration struck me because it's a different approach where Apple Music inside the Taycan will be available right within the advanced cockpit so that an Apple Music subscriber can actually, you just put your credentials right into the system. And then all of a sudden the in-car voice commands and everything, you're capable of triggering Apple Music directly without the connection to the device. Presumably, that's the way that this works. Porsche and Apple Music fit perfectly, share common values. We're putting these technologies in our high-performance sports cars, starting with the fully electric Taycan. Apple Music has also, listen to this, digitally mastered songs specifically for Taycan's Burmester high-end surround sound system, resulting in studio quality sound. So,
really?
Yeah, they're saying that this is going to be better than Apple Music elsewhere. I might have to get a subscription just to try it out once that car arrives to see if I can tell the difference. I'll play the song over Bluetooth or plugged in through, I guess, Apple, what do they call it? CarPlay. And then I'll try right within the Apple Music connection and we'll see if it's any different. But it is a partnership, so they've decided to have a more intimate relationship in order to enable that. And speaking of in-car systems, dash systems, I'm always super interested in how different manufacturers implement these things. I've seen a lot of bad ones. I've seen good ones. I've seen a lot of bad ones. And sometimes the bad ones stand out a little bit more than the good ones, I'll be honest with you. You just hate to use them and touch these different systems and resistive touch screens. Over the years.
Yes.